Hi friends, welcome to Trend Radar channel supported by Ringa.010. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Agro Tech Food Limited. ATFL is the ticker name, and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. Here each candle represents 1 month, and this is the historical price chart. And these are all the technical indicators that I deployed on this stock for technical analysis, and these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. And regarding data, we have data since 2013 onwards up to 2017 November 22nd. Okay, if you look at the historical price path pattern, as per the data we are having here, this stock had reached its peak price in January 2015, and that time it was trading at 711, and after that it went down, and today it is trading at 526. Okay, so it is like nearly what is that, 175 rupees less than its peak price. And 2015 it reached its peak price, and today it is 2017 November 22nd. That means nearly 2 years 11 months. Even after 2 years 11 months, the stock couldn't cross its previous peak price. And we are seeing data. If you look at the data since 2013, you can clearly see that I'm keeping the crosshairs here. See the stock is hitting at the same price. Whenever the stock is going bottom, it is touching what is that, 464. Yeah, this 464 more or less are around 464. It is not going beyond that. Actually, the maximum bottom price that it went was 423, and yeah, 423. That was the lowest price that the stock had reached. But if you look at the highs, what the stock is reaching, if you look at the highs, there is no consistency except for a small change here. And after 2015, anyway, the stock is going down, and even stock had been making continuous new lows, and but again the trend is not consistent. Again, after November 2016, again it started moving in the upward direction. But right now the stock is after 2016 it made a peak, and after that it went down, and again it started moving in the upward direction. The trend right now is in the upward direction. So there is no consistency in the pattern. That's what I am trying to tell you. The point is, if there is a pattern, then we can easily understand actually in which way and predict also in which way the stock is going to move. But right now it is not possible to understand or predict this stock. Regarding its path pattern, that is one particular thing. And now this is the time where we need to look at the technical indicators, guiding points, and let's see actually whether they can help us or not. Now the stock had already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average. That's good. And right now it is under the influence of positive super trend mode. That is also good. If you look at the relative strength of the stock, it is just playing at the midpoint, which is bad. Directional strength of the stock is okay, but just rising, but not up to the point. And stochastics is down below the midpoint, cannot be considered. Price volume change is slowly increasing. Yeah, but if you look at from March 2017, it is more or less constant. And the momentum is just momentum had already crossed the baseline, and it is now playing in the negative zone, which is bad. And balance of power and elder pay both are in contradicting each other. Balance of pay, according to balance of power, the stock is in bearish mode, and whereas elder pay, the stock is slightly in bullish phase. Okay, so sometimes it happens, like indicators always don't give true signals. So based on the situation, we need to see. I think I have to discard the elder pay, and I have to go by balance of power this time, particularly for this stock. Why? Because the overall trend is in the negative direction right now. So if you look at the Kopak curve, it is like slightly showing that the stock is in is in the buy phase. But if you look at the line, it is making a parallel line to the baseline. So more or less constant. Actually, it is not rising. It should be rising actually. Then only we can buy the stock. Actually, then only we can clearly say that the stock is in bullish phase, and we can we can invest. So if the stock is going, if the curve is like this, then this is not the right time. Actually, there is no change. Though the stock is in the buy phase, but the point is we cannot invest when it comes to the long term investment. So in this kind of situation, so overall situation is like, we are getting mixed signals here, and wherever positive signals are there, they are below the benchmark, and remaining rest of all are negative signals. So in this kind of scenario, I mean, as per my analysis, the stock cannot be considered for long term investment, but you can do short term trading, as I am seeing a lot of volatility here. I mean, but we cannot consider the stock for long term investment or medium term investment. Okay, guys, we will come back to the stock later after a few days. Then we will see, redo the analysis based on new points. But until then, the stock can be considered for short term trading, but cannot be considered for either medium or long term investment. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.